So welcome to day 4, Python programming language for data analysts and data scientists. So we'll be talking about Python variable today. So we'll continue our discussion on Python variable. What are Python variables? So before I talk about Python variables, what are variables? Variables are containers for storing data values. Creating variables in Python. Python has no command for declaring variables. A variable is created the moment you assign a value to it. For instance, x is equal to 4. Make x a variable. X equal to 4 makes x a variable. If you use x equal to hello, this also makes s a variable. And we have data types in Python, but we are not going to be talking about that today. Today's class focuses mainly on Python variables. You can go to your Chrome browser, type in Google Colab if you want to follow along and do some and dirty your hands. So when it comes to Python variables or variables in Python are case sensitive. What do I mean by case sensitive? Case sensitive means if we have a equal to 4 and we have a equal to 4, this a will not override this a. There are two different variables. So that's why variables in Python are case sensitive. Variable names are case sensitive rather. So that will be for today. In our next class, we'll be talking about global variables and the likes. Thank you for watching. You can follow for more. And if you need assistance in how maybe you run the code and it's not working as I'm currently showing it, you can reach out to me. You can DM or you let me know in the comment section. Thank you.